Asante, Adom, you must hear 20 common so I'm saying so grateful to Adjei so also should be make house just after the Easter break. There's that drive and that energy to think Ghana and push Ghana and do everything Ghana. So patriotism for your country and the love for your country is very, very, very important. Quick one, Frankie Taylor, Yako, on the 17th, which was my birthday, Easter Sunday, your mom and your brother, Omanhene, brother, Ofriamanonibaye, although Mami Hospital, or no Mama Obano, Panyai, Quenchia, Oko off from the US, Obedu Ghana 2 days or so, you know, and your mom too as well. Till on the 17th, it will go down in your life. One terrific Easter Sunday, but God knows best. Namika said, shedding. Frankie Taylor. We are back to life. For 4 now, so Munti, it is the pledge. Me now do the show. Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Nana madara man we use Omanhene mo fan chemi. Me Ampofo-Adjei. Me and now the all the social Kenya number 1 and 2. I am for a brew papa bi or then ho papa bi. Ampofo-Adjei, your House of Chiefs, your president. Me Alice Kopi. Me Alex Zibwa. Me Yakubu Chipsa, me Nana Billy. Faudin Shaukeke. So what I say. No wash your boss will be din she share din kunimdi any ye din in puntu ever bre ahafo ma. If you become a proud Ahafonian, a just original Ahafo, under the able leadership of our Minister George Boache, and then our lieutenants, our potential president, Ekopuku, our wisdom port, Collins Dauda, and our ably supported by Almighty Frida Prempe and Era Bano, Dr. Benjamin, and Era Bobby, Deputy Minister, Youth and Sports, and then of our Bruni Venture Capital, the Council of State Rep, even though you shot, which I really don't like it. MPP for the Afaso in terms of Ahafo. I don't like it. It's not appreciative, you know. But we are grateful. You won't pay binumu. Ewo abayewe mu omo omobo amafo genim kone kan kone di mo wi peyo uwie sa pledge na Ghana is the bigger picture. It means that we shall have a she Ghana boss obeye nioma ese fata edi hihye so na ma Ghana mpuntu etimedi mu na ewi peyo sonko. Everybody who wake up so wo kukum so wo sankore so wo yamfo so wo wamfi so wo Omanhene so a free speaker baby obia o baby a shebia Kenya say 1 and 2 o baby a Omanhene so ntotro so baby a shebia a chinsu papa bi ohima papa bi o just be a proud Ahafonian how dey hear me no enkotete be a proud Ahafonian say the be bit me abo Ahafo manager ye home coming so nche ebeba so well ya ni apre ni akote ehun afiri bunu ntimi ni abunu ni se o hwe mi ani wo odo so pon so je obi so bekere ya ni apre ya ni gira ati timi ze di ya da so emia ya oburu ni Ahafo na ebo bezi no obi aprediti eti mu bunu is for mo so asema na bunu for so mo so asema ana Ahafo ya asema fortunately for Ahafo no onyame adaro ma nya ho brasiem journalists akuku dampa mutimi kasama nipa dodo na etiefra Ahafo to we na na akese Ahafo efiama nkwata makro Ahafo sports Obama was Ahafo Omanhene Kwabena Ahafo eti mo bunu no mo so munya mo de mo bunu is mo so munya mo de mama mfa mesunsan e ma de bia Dr. Kwaba
ye mo ni emse oni am se manage udumadi na udi na nka o still o ma bi sunsan bono ene Ahafo no baby apom because unia de ye unia no so sa imagine like bi na ya nti we ye sia ye nua na ba makono ahwa se anopa breni brebia unya ahoden na nya dagetena imadi so a utumi ton region no oni se ene boa ma region page na brebia ipa refi se nipa titiro efri ye region mu ebron ne Ahafo no despite say nchiche mu kitwa bia ba no de still ye kamo bom nipa titro na wonso yenso nye ade anyame hyire ne se oyiro ho na osua de abe
yes
oyiro ho na pesika benya bi ni obeye bia obeye no kwampa so no nyame bedum mu na wo hyire wa manso pa kese agu so enti yada wase because eboama wona wo susu na wo from na ka
they also very
you bibi because you won niam pa o ya ka nipa obedi mampanyi o Ghana hane de bono ne afia produce bio owura buzia no mi say ekoya no be produce mo GH teacher adwin kese kita nipa
one of the finest NDC time owusu owusu brekum
yes owusu minister odia be majority leader and minority leader there are a lot of individuals on free your region more on bobra asom krabie father temo you can mention a good number of them brekum hini say room say open apart from say oye Omanhene no oye medical doctor
brekum hini
yes so ordinary adwuma na tonje yo osan esom kosunyan regional hospital osom across the world asom in terms of the professional say medical doctor ndi ye woni patitru owura ansu owura
Nick mu
uhwe miami open ABTS
team apreku
some de aso Ghana my in terms of enua ni nipa of modwuma enimti ye woniema ema ye region no ekọ nanima nipa wasom aman afa kwanua sanyina so nti bibia na ye ma eningi ye kan wo se ye obibi na ye na ye nyima no so ne Adom anyame de hyira no so ye nana.
Thank you so much. Yeah, as you feel you Professor was late. O ya me fa currency yi. As you feel you. Make us a montimas. As you feel.
It's a BA United.
The only shut-up minister. Babeka say area kwada say in the Itwada Frumawa, MP minister for a region and deputy minister for local fisheries and local government. Yes, in the one team, a staunch member of the NDC. In fact, the people who was a Mampenya or the party nearby, the boys, you know, if the former president tells late, that's my boy. As one why Jumanache. Unim the Wetimayabua NDC party, no Central Region so ne penso as a minister for the region. Nema Biblia and also Boa region. I think the only thing I still on that's what challenge is going to continue to be the sugar factory now. And home common idea na consistency view na but thank God there's going to be a revival.
Yeah.
Maybe I come on.
Yeah, we fine. This trip people call Eastern we call Volta region.
Okay.
Into the reception that I got there was so,
super.
Yeah, Leklebi Agbesia.
Okay.
Togbi Konda, any Kenel, Tephilostevia.
Okay.
And all the people of Leklebi Agbesia.
Okay.
I mean,
you decided to go and hide and chill.
Oh no, decided to go and hide there. I know my ancestry.
Yeah.
You know, I trace
your route to
be called, and I've been.
Oh, so where domestic homecoming?
Yeah, it's my yes idea no for since I think for about 105 years we've disconnected.
Okay.
Into one mom history in there. This is where like the woman that brought all of us to Central Region. Into I just needed to go and trace. And get to the core.
And
that is my father's side. And luckily for me, I got people to tell me the history here. Asante Meko. I mean, it was beautiful. It's just like my connection to
Tuabodom.
To Tuabodom. You know, you see, with the fantasy, most of us came from Techima. Let me put it that way, Techima. But that time, Techima was a big community, including Tuabodom and all those places. Inti sebakaya abra yebudu yenina fantifunya yebudu mankesim na half what power hu de wode fase ho no no obi said wanam no wa power hu aworokon ina waka de oye nana ekunfi na sefu na oben ho no wode afa ho. That is why my area, my mother's traditional area, they call us ekunfi traditional area. People don't know the ekunfi word. That is why the chief, the paramount chief.
Chief no paramount
ekunfi na Ibamu Kroma. Me great grandfather on here Bahono. Often Akwaku Chemenu. And Akwaku Chemenu is a typical brown name. We have our chief god Ohono, Kwesi Nkumsa was, I mean, Oyada Edifi Bron, Yedibenti, say, names be our Owo Ekunfia, there. Most of them are, into connection with Ono, Afansa, maybe call that side, so okay. It's always good to know your ancestry.
I see. So we are back from the Easter break, and then maybe 1 or 2 years as a country, citizens, no. You need to do your home for be and Sanyako, probably a bit tough on realities in the country now. What would you suggest to this country, Ghana, in terms of your attitude, in terms of your focus, in terms of your maybe especially rainy season, eBay? You know, what do you expect us to do? We are back. It's a break, but we are back.
Seriously, say into Kwaya, okay. I mean, I used that road, and
it was terrible.
I tell you. But
which road is that?
The Peki to Hohoi Road.
Peki Hohoi. Okay.
Yeah. But I tell you from the beginning in Peki itself, Peki towns, if you enter into Afajato South now, or terrible.
Okay.
But work in progress.
Okay.
We did there as a country, no. Se obiari ye na femiza. Ewa. Inka yentra yenka de MPP why them, NDC why them. We all understand where we are going, but we don't have a goal as a country. As I say, and I believe it's about time one particular goal. If they come, they follow. If we come, we follow. Then we know that we have because everything I say about most Morian Masasa Ewa and I said Pedemusiano Crampa in Pinfuno working what says Utanfu Usiawa no Achanepa. I mean it will be a better place for all of us if we can see ourselves and call ourselves brothers. As I say, I count one particular thing when we were maybe you were investing, I don't know. We see ourselves as either roommates or hallmates or faculty mates or whatever. But right now, if you go to the investing, you have the TESCON people, they don't meet the 10 people. I mean, it's like, into Wamama, I didn't start from the schools. Into by the time you come out, then already you be my enemy since university. You were TESCON, I'm 10. We don't be. Into Wamama, I did politics now, so something which is there, we can have some. Because I believe there, no matter what we do, we can do our hardline politics. But look, we are one people. You know, funny enough, those times when I was contesting for MP, I tell the people that, look, you don't need to fight me because you belong to
the other side. All we know is the only thing that you can't change in your life is the family you come from. Me abredini, me abredini. I can't change it. But tomorrow I can decide me politics, MP, NDC, CPP. But Ebusia is there. And if we take the whole country as one big family now, you realize there, look, hey, yesterday I was a Catholic, today I'm a charismatic. I mean, we move on with life. Life is not stagnant. We are moving. So we should just forget about this animosity. But within your party, you have faced some of these real challenges that most of your friends are MPP people. So they see you, sometimes they see people like you, Semono, they can't trust you, they'll betray you.
Oh no, me, Obiani and this Obaka don't trust me.
No, because it's not.
No, I understand you. Yeah. But like me, for instance, you see, I've had friends way back. You know, luckily some of us, we left school before 1992. Into leaving school before 1992, no, that time there was nothing like politics, NPP, NDC. Into Mama, here friendship, you know, were tight. Into those of, like, me mate, I mean, we school, people that I've known way back there, no, were NPP, no, we still relate. But funny enough, over joining Frey, no, after 1992 coming down, no. Yeah, I mean, it's like, hey, Muhua, we don't have to agree. But you see, me, I always believe that you see, I'll meet him on the field. I'll play him hard. You know what I mean? Not I'm playing him hard because I hate him.
That's the field.
That's the field. On the field of play. I mean, it's like boxing.
Yeah, we are brothers, but we are playing.
We are playing.
You are with Kotokwame.
I don't hate you. But we have to play. We have to play. We play the game. It is simple. Na it's wicked ba. Must be the wicked be sure.
Yeah, we are.
Any you field do na.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, nuanom. You to say it. That is where we Ghanaians we don't go beyond the political game. When it's politics, this man, if I see him, especially as I'm contesting for national organizers, I'm a national organizer, now me ko baby now or your rougher, go to my handle me in a nice way. You know, you are because of this, I did that to you. So chill. No hard feeling. Yeah, that is the but people take it beyond
World Cup.
Yeah, but if after political season, you know, if you go to some countries like Ethiopia and like after political season, no politics on any radio.
The country.
No, they will come and arrest all of us. You don't do that. Say election, they forget about everything. They have 3 months politicking and everything. After election, one person comes out a winner. Well, announcing we are.
Asa.
Now you see, like on your panel, water expert in Suyorbote, then you store water in the But you see, our society, but I think we will get there eventually. You know, the 2020 election taught me a big lesson. Gradually, Ghanaians are moving to one angle. They don't care whether you are MPP or NDC. If they will realize there, you will be the best person to represent them now. They push you. Look at Central Region. Central Region, NDC got 13 seats. But the presidential election, we won only about 3 constituencies. So it's telling you that maybe the people there, they want to, though predominantly they are MPP, but they want this man there as their MP. They will push you. And we don't have to forget about the people who push it. Yeah, definitely, because at the end of the day, this is not an area. Okay. NDC will win. Maybe win. Then the people have high hopes in me. Okay. I think we have to take our politics to the next level.
All right.
Where I don't care where you come from. Once you can do the work, I'll work with you.
All right. So, Doc, kakra after Easter break.
Issues of health kakra. I'm saying so in so to be brave say na ye hu say enyema be miensa ebi wan he ogata mu yie na wanyi yu kwan nim na ya nhwe kwan a ye dan a ebetimi abuabu ye nso ya hwe ho nsema the structure integrities of properties and as a buildings team no ya hwe ne ye ebetimi abuabu ye so na de ba kokra ehu kra ne cholera ne typhoid around this time enti science na education about young wash and start ye duane making sure say very hot and see ye dinia de adini no ye making sure say betimi asia asom na ye mfa ngu nchen na sema minu e kan me ne ya adwen bebre e fa ye politics open e say tia say at every point in time where ya brabo mo no the country Ghana any your interest in Ghana should be bigger and greater than the sum of our individual ambitions. Differences of birth, religion, tribal affiliation, any event is saying a political affiliation. Ghana or minor issue on a so sing Sanyama Winina. Say minor so sing Sado or ye meno ya dream ye two and more minka so ye NDC and I saw ye MPP. I didn't yard chinchi mean sumbi. Debia meka a quite menya quite transia Casabia said, who share politics? Ghana, you were bushing be more, be more, find your NDC, will be found be MPP. And then they say, oh, my, what time for me, Oko Brekuma. Share Mame Mary Boachi, former MC, what will call DC, na a million back. Of a million paying Cherebois, Nebe, a friend saying DC. Oh, DC, you know, not under a Kufu pencil. Or no, so through or no. Me papa, a chill baba. Me papa free mono on edi me papa de me kan say me papa ono so na be ye DC MC ma NDC so what must say it tells you say within even a family no a family NDC sem a family ba wo hwe ma fando do na MPP for eno no nkire say kaka no mo ye NDC for no omo enka bushia no nti say tisa nsem we say tia say political parties in here supporting I say historical. Uko Roman no be si okọ Pentecost any interest wo gide no
how to say
atma say ni office ebeboa ni obi wa ni de ni say odi nyama nkyerɛkyerɛ Roman sorry dem ye be kyerɛ obi nso so pese asoro ade say no pa wi anwumre obɛbɔ tons a akosi na etwa fast na ahodo amawo ene ne okra so pɛ no to bia ni ne kondo ban pem bebre no aya na ye wi afi na ade ha adwene say politicians na di sansem nyina aba say be duru say ye beto aba na ema obi ahu say we kan say we kromu afo aye say we kan say me free bono afo eboa brekum ni this year chini obi a ne oye brekum friend say me constituency MP oye minua hwe busu no ma origin mboate but me no contest primary before and no just bibia within the party me free brekum no me yiri free voter region nti me ma no abono any fragmented nti untimi medina ba bi nka asem mfa agbefo fo ma me ngira ne bom ensere nsa because me choose adnyema wo ye na mo na wotu no adwin papa be ntachire because yen kan say ya abusia ko baako me kan say adidi ni pa ko mamu ase me bi atwam na me hwe me ne me nua NDC Federal Government hwe football one sport World Cup, one of those World Cup under 20 the day you more you know you shana the day share the penalty na menini nyina story bam ye we hurure jump ya within some moments na me nya akona me pia na obi asore di machi oba say lawyer na ada na woni NDC no mo hage mo say so NDC no na cross assembly
obi asore
but the panel the officer
we ndi kumasi now NDC you bo how your office
the officer ye bushia ba ko your man kro ba ko adisi konkro ma ne ye na ka ho bi nti tisa nyema o ya se say the difference between NDC ni MPP your policies any ideologies adwenkyere any anamo ye betumi atu ye de treat your man na ko nanim because obi tisa blakwa I've known him over the years from university so Dr. Badwam I've known him over the years from university. Harry Nadusi I've known him over the years from university. What may say? Ye nimlim ye hu aye namfusema afri tete Sam George mo we've been friends. Felix of Ozukwati. Felix will not sit them somewhere and insult me. Because me no ye to say enua. Eno no interest na namo otu no me so in terms of the support for the political party no. Eno ma me nkodi di ni panatem. Obetimi aka asema bia me kra ni maninje metimi afrɛ say masa wontumi nya ni say ya kyerɛkyerɛ adwen ba empem bebre no aya na yen political parties no yentumi emma san kyerɛkyerɛ nkofo ma nipa ntia sɛ so obi ye NDC ni ani nkyɛ so onye nipa ɔno hwɛ Ghana ni obi ye MPP ni because unim emra kufuo penso na owura dambotwe na general secretary na those student politics yesoma ye mobi mu na yɛkɔ ne na voter region sɛ yɛkɔ akɔyɛ campaign me wonyema bia me stress because those time na MPP your presence in the voter region na strong to say opinion na bibi nipa na oye NDC omo organizer or constituency back no na say nipa na so no abeji krata so oye MPP youth organizer na nipa na mo a just na me ko voter region na obi ahia na oka kasa na chiro ontin so tina bisa me din bisa na kyerɛ me sɛ din a kyerɛ onipa de ɔsɛw na nipa nso ekɔkɔ nso nti mu fi sɛ minua ɔmo kyerɛ me kɔ office na office na ɔte no na nipa baako no double as NDC
na MPP
because ofi sɛ all sabotage one political party nti ya sitrani ya na montuo no ye man no kora ni parepare ye edi ya nhihye ni kwan ya fa so toto niema nka ɔman ne bɛkɔ nanim pepepe nti beni aje yen kan hu se abusua de yen tete ntwene se na menua kan yi there's nothing like ex family member, there's nothing like ex brother, there's nothing like ex Ghanaian ubeye Ghana ni ubetimi akoye citizenship of other country near there but Ekonya di na akona ye hwe anim ne hwe okala ne de ade a wo dem ka bedwane ba fie abe pressure ampa wo ye Ghana ni nti abribia ne ma Ghana ne nye kese ensi nyema aya edi tu sa na mo.
Okay, so that's it. We finance what you baby abutu awutibia no, just let Ghana and Indi wenim kan. It's very important before the other aspects no ebe follow a year suit. Yeah, but in common so no. I want us to just a second look at the EIU report. Now remember the details of the economy in Ankasa. How ebinimu so adwene akire say aban share so for the egu akwa no enye strong enough. What government needs is that political will. Yeah, our conversations. But this morning I read it a bit of, political shock rather. The Economics Intelligence Unit has tipped the opposition National Democratic Congress as the party with a higher probability to secure victory in the next general elections. But the organization highlighted one condition based on which this prospect can be materialized. This was made known in the EIU's 5-year forecast for Ghana, released on April 13, 2022. According to the London-based analysis, their assessment shows that the opposition party will have to part ways with its leader, 2022 flag bearer John Dramani Mahama. The former president has led the NDC into 2 unsuccessful election campaigns in 2016 and 2020. As President Akufo-Adjei concludes his final term in 2024, the opposition is expected to face off with whoever the governing New Patriotic Party will put forward as its new leader, in the wake of numerous challenges plaguing the government, including unemployment, an economic downturn, and corruption, among others. EIU believes these developments will fuel citizens' sentiments against the ruling MPP administration. But the conditional clause is that NDC, they should change their leader. We can't do another petition.
No. Well, I read. I read this.
But yeah, you respect them.
Oh yeah, I mean, why one analysis, but it's not everything that they say comes to pass.
Exactly, that's why I respect that.
That is their one over here.
Before I mean, young can we say? Since someone
99% of Omanhene,
100%, not 99%. It's 100% of our predictions be warning against parliament, losing parliamentary seats.
Yeah.
In the round
no, they are on point. What is about these predictions?
No,
but he understands that. But Okaja says they cannot get his entirety correct.
Yeah, I mean, in every research, you are a researcher too. In every research, you give room for some plus or minus 5. That one, on one I trust I don't know who they interviewed, but they have a way they do their things. Me, I'm not going to rubbish one reporter, but it's one thing there. We in the NDC, me, maybe particularly, let's say me in the NDC. I know whoever will bring me already till today. I know whoever will bring. Being it Mahama or no Mahama, we are still going to beat them.
Do you feel a time or so?
No. I mean...
Time or so for the NDC to come back?
Yes. But you see, for us to beat them and beat them resoundingly, we need President Mahama. I mean, that is what I believe. They lose in there, they will lose. But to who? In a word, but we know already where we are going. We know we are winning the election. As I say, we know we are winning the election. But they are saying, look, let me tell you one funny thing. You see, sometimes, I don't know how people read politics. If from where I am coming from, anybody who have any ambition to contest
John
Mahama should hold on and come after 2026, 2028 and 2026, because you see, every time and season brings its own leaders. So it's not by fluke. You see, nature have a way of bringing somebody from nowhere and make the person a force. I remember I had the same chat with President Rawlings before. I told him that he should just relax and let JM run the show, because at the end of the day, every time and season comes with its own leaders. That I say, and JM was then the new kid on the block. You can't touch him. You can't say, even if he dares and maybe go into an election with him, it will be something else. Until that time, no, it was the time of JM, and JM's time hasn't passed. The fact that he led 2 unsuccessful there, he's gone into 2 unsuccessful election, doesn't make it there. Oh yeah, Obi called 2 unsuccessful, but at the end of the day, he eventually became the president. He was there 2008, 2012, 2016 or man. That doesn't mean there. Osande Mpenfusi there, Busumo Konenyi impress and there. But me in the NDC, I believe our best chance is to present President Mahama. I mean, if you know that sentiment, even some of our own party people, even sometimes brings up those sentiments and that kind of thing. But I don't have a problem with them. I mean, we are in one big family. Might be different, but hey, the agenda is to capture power in 2024. Whoever becomes the flag bearer. But me sitting here, I can't see anybody coming close, even getting about 10% contesting President Mahama.
Not even the Dufos.
No, you see.
Not even the Kojo.
Bunsu and Kojo. You see, you know, I like the way they are coming into the fray. I mean, it makes the whole game very beautiful. But I mean, look, no, me, if I'm a politician, if you ask me to advise them now, I'll tell them, rabble rouse small. When you get to a place now, then you just chill. At least make yourself known. Because you see, the younger ones are what you're demanding, what year for?
Future.
You know, Agenda 2028.
No, Koyo was winning.
Is it?
Koyo was winning flag bearership.
Oh, we need flag bearership. We'll still beat MPP, but it's very highly unlikely. I mean, look, Master, we
President Tree Pasano.
Because I know there is no way. Master, there is no way. Look, if we are to go into primaries today, believe you me, I'm sitting on your platform.
Nobody is coming closer.
If all the forces together, they even get 10%, then they've done well. You understand me? If they get like 10%, they've done well, because 2020 was more fiercely contested than what I am seeing now. Yeah. I hope you understand me. You see, they need political advisors, seriously, because me, if I sit where I am sitting... No. Oh, Master, you see, me, I don't care about whoever want to contest whoever. But me, I'm make political eyes. Makasa Adom there. I mean, look, it's highly impossible. Master, you know that. Yeah, they might hey, I will form this, I will do this, I will do that, I will do this. But at the end of the day, you have all those ideas, so but you were part of the party. You know, you see, me, that is one thing sometimes I don't like about people. If me and you, we are all working in the same organization. Now say it was ideas because I'm the CEO, because you know that you are lacking in the corner, waiting there, let me hold my. I mean, Master, that it doesn't make sense, because I believe in a group contribution.
So the report is something that they have reported, but
they've reported it. I mean, that is what they feel. Nobody, I don't have any problem with that. They have said it. As I say. So it's here in our day, we have to prove them wrong. If 99% or 100% of their predictions come true, maybe for once we have to disprove some of their proofs. Okay. Me, I don't, because me, I can't see my now. this time and age, this particular period here with me, I can't see anybody leading us than JM. I can't see it because as a marketer, look, if you ask me, look, JM hasn't gotten to a saturation point. When a product gets to the saturation point, that is where you try to either rebrand or do whatever. But JM hasn't gotten. Only them peak now. Obe take news. Only yet. Until at the end of the day, no. Some obemu wakadama. Oya, betrawa amejunu hudi na misre. These guys, do they really know what they are talking about? But also be an also. What I think is not the same. It's not the same to you. It's not the same to my brother. But we know we are winning the election.
Okay.
Even today, if JM decide that he's not contesting, we are still winning. But it will be an easy win with him than any other body, any other person. Okay. That's what I say. So me, it's why you hope peace. Yeah, it's good and that kind of thing. That one.
Doc, but my NPP for any a certain courage be anyhow to say, wow, we are almost there.
Of course. I'm seeing men can't see me. We are so what do I not do a bit more. And Sebin prayed with the greatest respect to the former president. Owura Mahama, it is a MPP, a gentle dada. We know how to deal with him politically in terms of elections. But me can politically. We know how to win elections against Owura Mahama. You see, in some EIU kayeno, NDC for no, you so more ancient, and may legion, a shame crying. Now, my say, near my say, yet 2 years, and sana the next elections in Arsenal, you want to 2 years. Now, we are MPP member, we are under the hearing of my voice, in even the forgotten part of the country. She said, and Masu say, became one boom, near ye, Jumadin. Near soon near campaign now ye minister we appointee of the government obey ye duma near prove say say it mean NDC ka opposition na ye sustaining growth na ye de Omanhene from no open only bibi the last elections Owura Mahama lose by how many votes?
500,000.
Over 500,000 votes.
Disputed elections.
Oh, when it is now quarter now fact be and now disputed.
No,
it cannot be disputed because no. Only bibi
900 and something.
Only bibi. Mama can't say chiro. Quarter you ought to substantiate your argument with substantial substances. You cannot just go there and say so must just man winning. Nti no. Omokoya hwe omofa krata ba kumpankoto. Not even one single pension. And then 2012 now, the pension call your coach say, Yankofre Abraham and associate to come and check the papers. So KPMG, accounting firm of one of the greatest across the world. Number it's your moment of the documentation and check Yakusi. Nyan be one some yaka. Nyan sa na yakwa bisa so me na menum tin o electoral commission ya mami biscuit. Nyan hu sem na yaka. Yaka say obi a contest elections. No opinion. Elections wouldn't say MPP na your members of parliament be na popular because can we say Akufo-Adjei won in close to 150 constituencies across the country. Yes, bit say
Akufo-Adjei manage.
Yes, kwa central region correct. Akufo-Adjei winning what several areas MPs lose here. And it's also the performance of the presidential candidate. Vis-a-vis the members of parliament and the parliamentary nyamana yehu of parliament because we won the election overwhelmingly. Because I say Owura Mahama the disputed elections on winning by how many votes? Because I say Owura Tamils the first elections on winning now we find currency on winning by saying just 25,000 votes. Time. Okay.
Yeah, time.
But 25,000 votes not the winning elections. There's no president and the second term all running into elections, one winning with the amount of voter, not even 300,000. Owura Nana Akufo-Adjei and winning my MPP. MPP. So the MPP is still the biggest political party in this country with a solid foundation. See, we are party, we are well organized. Open so who say MPP are well organized across the world and even in Africa. There's no political party here. You have to obey. Now, in less than 9 hours of the elections, what we put together the results of once, twice, consistent with that. Because we have the structures, we understand how to run elections, and we know how to win our elections and count our results. We know how to do it. We know how to collect our results. Now, nyama abayin iye, opayin, ene Ghana ni bebre nipa nya yenuma na ye no sunsanso. Kwabena Badwam Mpensenpensemu ayikakra. But within the next 3 to 4 months, enema besis na Ghana ma Ghana mu abaye de ama Ghana obi ehun. Say MPP say ne Omanhene na Adam Akufo-Adjei no. Ye nim kwan ya yetimi turn the economy around. Na de yentimi nyere say nipa wu a yentimi fa ne mankwamu. Because ye will measures say dey Akufo opayin hwe and another Akufo-Adjei. Ya ma omu ko school for free. Wan e koto aba ma obi na ne ba kotua school fees. And another Akufo-Adjei, your nurses in teacher training allowance or Mahama or be free one. Until by the end of the catcher, nursing a teacher trainer, I buy a very strong deal of a catcher. 7 months. You can't say, oh, come. No, open so be do car, a better so daily packer. I know Ubia Noka. You are real so, you be tria. Young buyer, Ghana, not ambulances, no one simply saying, and they buy under MPP and Adam Akufo-Adjei. Every part of the country, you need a train yard, your ma ambulances. One district, one factory. And then many kikako, a kikako 130 a after over close to 200,000 people mu yed mo Ghana. E ku fi efu du wura e ku jusu ukrom. So unim kasa events o mo ye
kasa di
omo di na de ntanka mitrimu. Omo di sweet potato ye pizza ne sa ne man donut that or central region. For the northern part of the country, who if anything, watermelon processing plant, come brekum, sweet mama tomato paste, yellow don't fit. Factory you were yes, is it operational? Me call inauguration be from Kabisomo, agro flowers were tomatoes, sweet mama tomato paste. From me brekum don't fit. And near my yellow, and this is for me to Korea quine. The Akwanya no Ghana say no. There's no government in the history of Ghana since the inception of Ghana. Why you appoint this MPP? In terms of even overheads in investment in the rail infrastructure. NDC phone to be farm to Tomo. Now Ghana for only near Akonopa. Ghana for share Sunday money na via. No be said. Abayi. Your mano any nurse for teacher for no motive you know and then akoso ya for over 55,000 nurses teacher for your form close to 100,000 because of free education and institutions and so
okay so
into my bagana
okay
opayi minim say na one now so that I said a bedroom rebi you benya more than 6-7 car assembly plants for Ghana and then your Toyota omu ya no Ghana assemble Ghana say VW Passat, Sanotrack, any other companies are more ever.
Okay,
and
so you
when I bet on the color TV, I cover black and white, or Mahama. Looking any NDC, looking at a very consistent government, right? Young Bayano, now Ghana was growing at 3.6. And my MPP are buying Bayano. You flip question, at the growth of Ghana, average around 7%. You have to inflation of 15.9%. You have the buyer by then themselves, and then because of COVID, and then the global supply chain, because what is happening across the world. And the MPP are buying there. And this is for almost 4 months. Almost 3-4 months. I could say. And you have been winning the next election.
So I said, Badwam, probably in the next 8 minutes we are wrapping up. There's a lot of your WhatsApp messages about basically 2 p.m. or just without John Mahama, there's no NDC. This is John Mahama's time
On don't kind of get us kind of between a contest election.
This election is not even about money; it's about the realities on the ground.
Yeah, because
the realities on the ground, and even a mobile swatch.
Yeah, that's the reality on the ground.
And I can't say less than any other. Yeah. Two pieces and no inflation being a number. We need the next month inflation at Tiaba from.
Okay.
The same way you use $1 and the coin number 8.5. And I bad enough for my Ekiko 6. The same thing. And I said 7.5. 7.5. Now you could do Omanhene. I didn't do 8.6. I didn't know. If say 8.5 within about 3 weeks. Now they do 7.5 and a pair. Can we say within the next one? And I can't go for more. Okay. Within the next 1 month.
Dog. The reason why
I'm the same common buyer.
EIU for most more what kind of salmon. No, forget about that. Oh no, you should be happy.
No, you should be happy. Numerous challenges plaguing the country, including unemployment, 1, an economic downturn, 2, and corruption among others.
Just others. So, the kind of corruption that we have in the system now. That is what Obama will lose the election. It's not about bringing Mahama or not. The kind of
corruption Mahama is saying.
No, you see in America there, into the big canasam there. You people called Mahama corrupt, but you people, when you came to power within 4 years, you made Mahama look like a saint.
Who told you?
Oh. The kind of thievery and stealing that is going on.
Airbus,
you see,
super solution. Any event is RG in some
let me talk. You can come and talk.
Which I need to go and check. You see. Mahama was the evil, but when they came to power, he's now the saint.
No, but they painted him as the evil. But when they came to power, we gave them power, no?
Now, saint.
Ring the Mahama.
It's Saint Mahama.
One time for your mind. You see what is happening now. Master, you see... Neighbor, you were calling info solution. You are doing this thing. Master, info solution and everything, put them all together. One PDS, kill them all.
The PDS one is PDS.
No, PDS. A lot is in PDS. A lot is in PDS.
Master, that PDS thing.
That thing has been cancelled.
No, but it has been cancelled. Have they really?
Doctor, you just don't say it has been cancelled for cancelling.
What are you talking about? Don't worry. Just say I'm going to do that. What's that? Appoint you and go there. Since I don't to do it, but definitely it will go off. Let me tell you one funny thing. You see, look, NPP for my minimum hono. What's the year NDC for boy and skedi? What discount more fair?
Wow.
I just say what
one the casa. Oh, one now come once more. One now come once more. Be a no casa. Oh, Mister Be a casa. One now come once more. Propaganda. No, propaganda. This is not propaganda. What organize or moko fano? Moko here come by no only me or no kofa organize or propaganda.
No, me by propaganda. Me propaganda. Me if I don't know about that thing, I won't talk. Look, you should know. Maybe for all you know, maybe for all you know, I have even more friends in your party than you yourself.
It's possible.
Yes, they talk.
They
talk.
What times do we find ourselves in as a country?
No, we find ourselves in a country where now every little thing they will blame it on Uncle COVID. Uncle COVID, wherever you are, I salute you. I breath. Because look, even Obi Prompa was a COVID in Why? Because we were made to understand there. From 2019, the economy started going on a downward spiral.
That's not true.
No,
the numbers are there.
Boss. True. Your highest growth ever was 2017. And the 2017 growth, it was because when did your budget come to pass? Thank you. Because your budget was passed even after the first quarter. In the channel, there were programs down there. You people were just continuing it. Mama, you grow at some level. From 2017, one kasa mo budget amudi ye juma obey there you sow the seed from 2017 over reap in 2018. From 2018 it dropped. 2019 it started going down. Into COVID, yes, came. COVID no be no. No, definitely obenye nsusu ado. But we found who the no because COVID, Sika oba COVID because of COVID. What they pay? How do you? Why do you think there?
Sika be free baby amount. Busiani boy.
Yes, but
when you free baby amount.
No, you see, boss, tell you.
Busiani sustaining ni pankwa. Entina Ghana for emu.
IMF, World Bank, what's there? We are debt distressed. That is why they call that money emergency fund.
No, we are debt distress. Or say yes, it can because of COVID. Because your revenue is performing. Yeah, the lockdown.
And the papa be na na boda fusu no ya man fans no fans na ya fans. It is time e da ma me na time.
No me can also be here for rapping. Also what be no am I
into one they should be in their lane whatever, but if you are somewhere, you see the international ratings of corruption in our worst ratings is their best.
Okay, so that tells you Kwabena Asante.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Omanhene.
Omanhene,
so the one you fail.
Dr. Fairness, you.
Fairness.